So guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Welcome back to another video. Guys, today we will be making sausage rolls. And in my bowl I have 2 cups of flour, a teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of butter. Here I have 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, and I have a little under quarter cup of sugar, and also this is my water. This is the measurement. Let me turn it. It's almost 200 milliliters. It's not there yet, guys. And this is the exact amount of water that we will need for this batter. So guys, I'm gonna pour my ingredients in. This is my yeast, and also this is my sugar, and so guys, I'll be adding my water, and I will allow this to mix until it's ready. So guys, here you have it. My dough is ready. So I'm gonna leave this to sit for 20 minutes, and then we'll get back to it. Putting some flour on my mat to avoid it from sticking. Also, I'll be dusting my rolling pin. So guys, I will be cutting this into some strips. About this wide. They're not even, but that's fine. So guys, these are our sausages, and we're going to wrap them. Let me start with this one. For me, I want everything to be covered, so be going in like this. So guys, this is another one. So guys, these are the sausage roll, and I'm gonna allow them to sit for 20 minutes and then I will bake these. So guys, it has been 20 minutes and these are ready to go into the oven. This is my egg with a little water, so I'm going to do what is called an egg wash, and this allow your pastry to get a nice color. So I'm egg washing this so it will have a nice color. So guys, there you have it. This is ready, and I'm going to pop this in the oven for 15 minutes, and then this will be ready to be consumed. So guys, here you have it. Our sausage roll is fresh from the oven and this is ready, guys. I hope you do enjoy this video, and if you do enjoy this video, guys, please remember to give me a like, subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and guys, don't forget to hit that post notification sign. And also guys, please remember to check out my sister's channel, which is Teacher's Chill Spot. Guys, if you go over there, you won't stop laughing. And until the next video, bye bye.